Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're here at the Car Rambles Dyno meet at WG Motorworks. This video is sponsored by cartuninguk.com. Head over there. Basically they're a forum or a place with like-minded people, so if you have any issues on your car, if you want to know any questions about certain performance mods or tuning companies or anything like that, head over there, ask a question, and as I said, they're like-minded people who will help you straight away. There's also event pages, meets, so it's all on there, all the dates are on there. Head over there now, links in the description. I'll be over there answering any of your questions, so if you guys have any questions, head down there, make an account, post the question on there, and I'll make sure to answer it. So that was the first run. They were both 1 litre Fiestas. The second one that you saw was actually expecting 160, or his mapper said it would get 160. He actually only hit 139, so I guess he's going to be going back to sort that out. And the first one made 152. Going on now is a Peron tuned VT330R. Okay, so now up is a MR265 turbo from Mount Tune, but tuned by Puma speeds. This is going to be quite an interesting one. He's estimating about 260 to 280, but obviously we'll see what it makes. Okay, so going on to the dyno now is a Civic Type R with a turbo. So if anything, it's going to be the most powerful of the day probably, but there are some cars still to go on. There might be an S3, but we'll see. But this should make stupid power. So that finishes the WG Motorworks Dyno Day. Huge shout out to WG Motorworks, obviously everyone that helped out with the day. It's been a great success. It's been awesome. So thank you to everyone who came along. I hope you guys enjoyed the day. I hope you guys made the figures or close to the figures that you obviously wanted to make. And once again, big shout out to this sponsor of the video, who's Car Tuning UK. Go check out in the description once again if you want to look at basically their forums, if you ever need help, or if you just want to have a little nose around. That's the place to go. So all the links are in the description. Once again, thank you to WG Motorworks for having us. And if you guys want to come to the next one, or if you're interested in coming to an event, we might be doing a convoy in the summer. So if you want to come to that, just leave in the description or the comments, and we'll get you sorted. But thank you guys. Remember to like, subscribe to this video, and I'll see you guys next time.